Madame Marie Curie is the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. She is awarded the 1903 Nobel Prize in Physics along with her husband Pierre and Henri Becquerel for developing the theory of radioactivity. In 1911, Curie wins a second Nobel Prize in Chemistry for her discovery of the elements radium and polonium, becoming the first person to win the Nobel Prize in two scientific fields. Because of her gender, Madame Curie had to overcome significant barriers in order to accomplish her scientific achievements. She gave away much of her Nobel Prize money, refused to patent the radium-isolation process to encourage ongoing research and develop mobile radiological units to help battlefield surgeons save lives during the First World War. Curie's work helped to overturn long-established ideas in physics and chemistry, while paving the way for future generations of women and scientists.